In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best oscillating tools in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which oscillating tools is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, TODOCOPE 2.4 A corded tool. Powerful, sturdy, and much more reliable job. 3.2 degrees of oscillation angle makes functioning extra effective. The powerful 120-volt 2.4 amp motor preserves rate of cut, which can provide 21,000 oscillations per min, making cutting, sewing, cutting, grinding as well as sanding easy, as well as saving you time. Quick modification accessory system. Oscillating power devices, blades, as well as other add-ons to be transformed promptly without the need for wrenches or screws, saving effort and time for you. The universal healthy system matches most brands of blades or other accessories. 6-rate broad application oscillating device. 6-rate switches over from 15,000 to 21,000 RPM, allows individuals to choose a proper output rate. With functional accessories, you can utilize this device to do different home tasks, such as cutting, scraping, fining sand, cleansing, polishing, and also more. Ergonomic design and versatile application. Complementary deal with provides practical, as well as secure operation for individuals. 2 meters cord decreases the road for expansion cables. 24 PCS accessories. Oscillating device package include 1 PC corded oscillating tool, 1 PC inflexible scrape blade for scraping away adhesive, 1 PC semicircle saw blade for wood or plastic cutting, 1 PC dive blade for wood or plastic cutting, 1 PC plunge blade for soft steel cutting, 1 triangular fining sand pad, 18 PCS sanding papers, 1 complementary manage, 1 user handbook. Here is the item number 4, DEWALT Atomic Max Tool. Brushless motor of DEWALT 20-volt devices delivers up to 57% more runtime over combed. Dual grip variable speed trigger of DEWALT oscillating tool offers individuals supreme rate and application control. The universal accessory adapter of DEWALT cordless devices is developed for use with a lot of oscillating device accessory brand names. The quick change accessory system enables blades and attachments to be altered swiftly without wrenches. Bright LED light brightens dark work surfaces for accurate cutting. This 20-volt max * brushless cordless oscillating multi-tool includes a universal accessory adapter and 2 timber cutting blades to aid obtain your task started. The DCS 354 DEWALT cordless oscillating multi-tool has an effective brushless motor supplying as much as 57% more runtime over a comparable combed device. The quick change accessory system enables you to transform blades rapidly as well as easily, and also with the global accessory adapter, it's compatible with the majority of oscillating tool devices. The dual grip variable speed trigger supplies the best speed and application control. The brilliant LED light illuminates dark job rooms. Battery charger as well as tool guide system sold independently. The item number 3, Porter Cable 20-volt max. 2-finger tool-free system of the oscillating device makes readjusting, as well as altering devices fast and very easy. Variable speed dial offers maximum control throughout a variety of applications. LED job light offers a far better presence in darkened job conditions. 3-position overmold hold improves comfort by minimizing resonance. 20-volt max system high-performance cordless platform. Battery and battery chargers sold individually. This 20-volt max * cordless oscillating device with 11-piece set comes with the devices you need for a large range of tasks. 2-finger tool-free device altering makes going from one job to the following easy. A variable speed dial 8K 18K OPM supplies maximum control across a selection of applications. It has an integrated LED job light for better visibility in dark work problems, and also a 3-position overmolded grasp improves comfort by decreasing vibration. With 11 accessories and a storage box included, this Porter Cable oscillating tool set offers the capability to cut, sand, scrape, and grind done in one tool. Number 2 in our list, DEWALT 20V Max XR. The 3-speed selector of DEWALT 20V tools enables users to pick their speed establishing based on application. Brushless motor of DEWALT oscillating device delivers up to 57% more runtime over combed. Dual grip variable rate trigger of DEWALT cordless tools gives individuals best rate and also application control. Universal accessory adapter for use with most oscillating tool device brand names. Oscillations are min, 0 to 13,000 or 0 to 17,000 or 0 to 20,000 OPM. Quick change device system enables blades and add-ons to be changed quickly without wrenches. Intense LED brightens dark work surfaces for precise cutting. This 20V Max cordless kit includes one brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool with a global accessory adapter and 2 wood-reducing blades to assist get your task started. The DCS356 DEWALT cordless oscillating multi-tool has a powerful brushless motor that supplies approximately 57% more runtime over a similar brushed device. The 3-speed selector permits customers to pick their rate setting based on application. The quick change accessory system enables you to alter blades quickly and conveniently, as well as with the universal accessory adapter. It works with many oscillating devices. The dual grip variable speed trigger offers supreme rate and application control. The intense LED illuminates dark work areas. Battery, charger, as well as device overview system are sold individually. The top one in our list, Vtopmart 20 metal wood. Notification: do not fit fine Starlock Bosch MX30, Bosch MX30 EC31, Bosch quick release devices. Do not fit fine supercut. Superior Worth oscillating saw blades package 20 PCS consist of 6 various kinds of saw blades, for reducing wood, steel, plastic, as well as various other materials. Each sort of saw blade specifies for a specific function. Our oscillating saw blades can meet a range of needs, which could be made use of for workshops, houses, or various other areas. Harder as well as thicker than most, constructed from alloy steel, as well as high carbon steel. Our oscillating multi-tool blades are produced with special strategies and also thick gauge steels, due to which it becomes sturdy for an extended period. Unique style for precision cutting, integrated size markers on 2 sides. One side is an inch and other is centimeter. Guarantee you can get exact cuts easy and also quick while you collaborating with it. 2 types of special layout accuracy saw blades have a longer wavy tooth that is particularly designed to provide faster, cleaner cuts in timber and plastic. Universal compatible system. Our quick release saw blades work with many oscillating devices in the marketplace, such as Fine Multimaster. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best oscillating tools amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.